Hey everyone, this is Judi with JLBCrafts. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, thank you so much for giving me a try. This video I'm going to be setting up the week of March 21st through the 27th in my vertical planner that I use for wellness. And I wanted to embrace the purple that's on the page. I'm using that seasonal floral planner with the coordinating sticker books, but those stickers are so big I can't really use them in a weekly spread. So I've been kind of just ignoring the purple or covering the purple up. I want to embrace it this week. And since most of the challenges are spring themed, because the first day of spring, or we change into spring on the 20th, so I guess the first full official day is the 21st, I decided to go ahead and cave and go with florals. And so I have the Rainbow Edit from Live Love Posh, the set of 7 sticker books. And you probably know green is my favorite color. Well, I opened the purple book because of the purple on the page, like I said, and I literally gasped when I saw these florals because they just, I just love them. I love the minty green and the purple, and so this was my jumping off point. So if you're ever struggling for ideas for a spread, have that moment where you're flipping through a book and something just makes you catch your breath. That is a great way to try to just be inspired and excited about doing a spread. So I pulled a bunch of stuff to go with. I have my own stickers that I make myself. I will link the video on how I do this in the cards up above. Any spreadsheet program will work. I have some scales, which I forgot last week, and some, I have my hydration stickers. Oh my goodness, words are failing me. More coffee that I made myself. And so I'm just matching to the greens and the purples in these florals. Like I said, this was my starting off point, so I'm going with stuff that works with this. I decided to go ahead and use some more Girl Boss Anna overlay tapes. I'm going to use the skinny one over the days of the week, and this one I'm going to use over my journaling prompts. And I have wonderful news. Anna had said that she wanted to focus more on school, and she just couldn't fit in school and a full-time job and full-time Girl Boss Anna, and she has decided to leave her full-time job and really just throw herself into full-time into Girl Boss Anna. So that is great news. Those of you who know that I am one of the PR reps for Girl Boss Anna, it's great news because that means lots of new stuff coming. If she wants to make a go of that, we're going to get to see all kinds of fun, new, exciting stuff. So stay tuned for that. I will keep posting her updates, mentioning them in my videos and posting them on my Instagram as the information becomes available. So, and if you do want to use order from Girl Boss Anna now or in the future, my PR code is Judi10, Judi10, and that'll get you 10% off. And then I have an older KaiserCraft sticker book. Actually, this one, it was one of the few that they had on Amazon. I don't think it's still there, but it just has one copy of each page. And I was flipping through here, and oh my gosh, there are a couple stickers that match these florals so well. There's some purple in here, there's some green in here. I even found a couple stickers that had this one, Good Vibes Only. Look at that, how perfect that is. Okay, my camera is really bright. I set the lighting while Jazzy was standing here casting a big old shadow. And then when I started talking, he decided he didn't want any part of that and he left. So anyway, perfect sticker in there. So let's get started. Let's pull some words. There are some purple words in here. So I'm going to do some stuff with purple and some stuff with green to kind of balance things out. I definitely want this sticker. I'm just going to go ahead and pull the things that I know I want to use so I don't have to do as much flipping back and forth. So we'll put that up there somewhere. Good Vibes Only in purple and green. And this stuff is so pastel, I'm gonna have trouble getting it to show no matter what I do lighting wise. So I could layer my purple scale with this little green half circle. I think I will. Just to keep layering the purple and the green together. Let Love Grow. Escape. I couldn't read that. I thought that was a G. I thought Grape the Ordinary. Escape the Ordinary. They did a big drop down on their S. That's why it looked like a G. Let Love Grow, that one's pretty too. All right. You always find a way to make my day a little brighter. I like that. I think I want to put that over here. Dates. So these books are made for multifunctional paper crafting stuff. So thank you cards and gift giving and planners, that kind of stuff. It is well with my soul. That one's pretty too. Like lots of gift tags there. Okay, let's see what we got in purple. Because I want something down here. I want something above keto. I find happiness in rainbows. Stay colorful. You are worth it. That's a good one for above keto. Will it fit though? It looks like it might be a little wide. Take a chance. Ooh, how about Just Believe? I like that. Just Believe. We'll put that above keto. I might have to trim it. Trying to stick with the purples, although I could put a green over here to balance. Life is about using the whole box of crayons. Oh my gosh, I love that. I love that. Okay, they're both totally full-length quotes, so we'll figure out which side we want which one on. I'll save those till later. All right, let's look for a positive word and a feeling and a weekend banner. Follow your dreams, reach for the stars. Okay, let's look for... I know it's not one word, but I like this dream on for positive word. And then feeling... I'm going to put I love today for feeling. Just try to find a little joy in each day. And then if I put this, so I got purple there. If I put green here and purple here, then maybe I want green up there. Follow your dreams, reach for the stars. I like that one. Okay, so we're getting our color scheme established. Let me go ahead and I'm going to fill in my middle section. So I have purple and green bullet points. In this, well, all right. In this book, in the color edit books, there are functional stickers as well. There are some purple stickers. Since this is the purple book, it's got purple stickers. So I can do, let's see, I need Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Sunday. I need 4 workout boxes. So let's find the super skinny. Here we go. What shade? I think that middle shade of purple. Yeah. Let's go grab 4 of those. And I'll fill out my middle section first. Coming back to the florals I want to use. So pretty. Oh my gosh. I'm jonesing for starting to do some sakura spreads. So I cannot wait. And I felt like those reminded me a little bit of the kinds of stickers you see when you do cherry blossom sakura spreads. So I'm looking forward to those. Those match so well. Okay, done with this. Let's see, what else am I missing? Let's go ahead and start putting some stuff on. So I'm gonna put I got my super pointy tweezers. These are for artificial eyelash extensions. I got them off of Amazon. I have them linked in the description box. So I'm going to go ahead and set up my middle section where I do food diary, workouts, hydration. Yeah, and I just do what works for you. I do 4 bullet points, breakfast, lunch, dinner, snack. So I'm just going to go ahead and get started on that. And I will be back. Okay, so far so good. I can tell the color scheme and I don't even have any florals on there yet. So let me go ahead and do my overlay tapes. So I'm going to lay these over the days of the week. And I'm going to lay the wider ones over these prompts. And then I think since they're all green, it'll help make the purple pop a little bit more. So these are called mini lighters, like mini highlighting strips. Oops. Perfect. Let's put these over my words, my prompts. I could actually put them over these too. I might have to try that. And I'm just looking through my wax paper and seeing all this purple, and I think I do want to go ahead and put these on my journaling prompts as well. Hi, Jasper. It's not lunchtime yet, dude. You don't care. You're hungry, huh? I don't care, Mom. I'm hungry. You gonna let me finish? No. Let's try putting these both down as one piece. Ooh, I like that. I like that. Okay. Hi, baby. Can I keep going? All right, so let's now build my sidebar. So I'm going to start with Just Believe. And I'm going to have to trim. I'm going to trim a tiny little bit off of either side of this so that it fits better. I know it's really hard for you all to see, but these are so pastel. I can't really adjust my lighting any differently. Okay, and then this prompt is what my intuition told me. And that's open to your interpretation, whatever that means to you. Especially if you have like a big decision, something, you know, like that you're grappling with. All right, I think, yeah, I'm gonna keep these on the sides that they're on. So we'll put this one over here. Okay, and then we'll put this one over here. It's got a little tiny bit of pink on it from the sticker row above it in the book. I'm just trying to decide. I think it's thin enough it's not really gonna bother me. So I'm just gonna try to center it on the page and ignore that there are only 3 columns above it. And that way I know I need to start my prompts over here a little bit higher up. So watching this particular week, Xfinity is having a free premium channel movie thing. So we've been watching some movies, just random movies. I watched Venom. I never got around to watching that. So stuff like that. Feeling, I put I Love Today. I have been listening to the birds and the rain. It's the Pacific Northwest, so there's lots of rain, which means lots of bird song. I am reading Clean House still, the newest Say Assassin thriller from Ty Hutchinson. And then for positive word, I chose Dream On. So my journaling space is a little bit smaller this week, but that's okay. I've been journaling since the spring of 2019 every week, almost always with the same prompts. And I have to admit, I haven't been writing as much lately. So, all right. All that's left then is florals and, well, just decoration in my top section. So let's look at what will fit. I have 2 identical pages of the stickers. I really want to use these 2. I'm going to do, in this corner one, I think I might put all 3 of them on my wax paper so that we can play with what's going to fit where the best. So I'm thinking maybe this one needs to go here. Oh, I already decided, yes. I want that one there. Let's just go ahead and do it. So when you're placing a sticker like this and you've got 2 edges, this is a corner, look at which side is longer and place that one. Line it up with that one. There's a big long geometry explanation for that, but you'll get it straighter if you work from the longer side. And then I think I just want to put Good Vibes Only like right there, even though it's going to cover some of the sticker. Let's wait just in case, because this paper is not very forgiving at all. Okay, so I thought I wanted to use this one for sure, but Yeah, I was just thinking these, looking at the sizes of the florals, these are the biggest, these are kind of middle, and these are tiny. But what I could do is go big, medium, tiny, and just kind of step my way down. So I think I'll just go ahead and do that. So then this one I can put over here. And since it's got this little bit of a cutout right here, I feel like the weekend banner I chose can go right there pretty darn well. So let's put this one kind of down against the edge, but down. Yeah. Oh, that's so awesome. All right, and then this can go here. I think I'll put it out a little bit. Do I? Now we'll cover up a little bit of it. We'll center it across Saturday and Sunday. And then this is the last one. Or I could do this teeny, teeny, tiny one. Which one? I'm thinking I want it to come out of this side, maybe up high. This has got to be the most unique color combination I've done, maybe ever, but certainly in a very, very long time. I wanted it up there, but I guess it could go up into the days of the week. I don't need this big long stem either. Maybe I do need this littler one. So since I want to put this back on the page and it's got kind of a weird cutout, well, I think I will. I think I'll go with the smaller one. And we'll try to, I'm going to put this back on the page as best I can. Let's go with this smaller one. Or this one. Oh my gosh, you guys. Maybe this one. So many pretty florals. I never would have thought to put mint green with this light lilac kind of color. Like right out of the corner. Ooh, that's pretty. Right out of the corner like that. Yeah. Now I can't get it off the wax paper. So pretty. Okay, so this definitely needs to go over here. I don't have room for it over there. Okay. And I feel like I need, I'm done with the florals. I feel like I need, wow, I can't believe how well this matches. Something for right there. Let's look for another quote. Something long and thin, and we'll be done. Since these two are mostly green, maybe I'll do a purple one here. Well, here we go. Live colorfully. That is completely appropriate for this spread with this unique color combination. Yes, right there. That's it. It's done. I love that. I never would have thought to put mint and purple together, and it looks amazing. All right. It's gonna look really nice on these mint discs too. Look at that. There we go. There is my wellness and fitness spread for the week of March 21st through the 27th. Using the Live Love Posh Rainbow Edit purple stickers. I hope you like this video. I hope it encourages you to start your own wellness planner. If it does, please consider liking and subscribing. Thank you.